Alright, so find the line right there and cut that all the way down, but don't get your fingers in the way. Push down. You don't have to saw, just push down. Push, push, push.
How am I supposed to?
There you go. Good. Okay.
So.
And then take the wrapping off of that one.
We're going to take the wrapping off of this one
And put it in the measuring cup.
We're just going to put it in the measuring cup and take this wrapper thing off. Oof. Squishy. Very, very squishy. Squishy, squishy. Put it in there.
Okay. And then I'm going to open this. And you are going to dump the bag in the bowl while I melt the butter. But first, you gotta find scissors. Okay, very carefully dump that in the bowl.
Dump this in the bowl right here.
Yes, it is powder. We need to add water and butter to it before it looks like cake batter. Okay, pause that.